Alright, I have my 011X with me. I have made the steering a bit loose because of being so tight, uncomfortable, not safe when you need to run so fast. First thing, I have removed these two poles, and the second thing is the lower stem, this part, and to have to remove this 6 mm Allen wrench key as well. And now it's ready to remove this upper part which the lower stems holds. But before that, we just need to loose and remove this another 6 mm Allen screws on the bottom. After removing this upper part, this lug need to loose a little bit to make the steering control become soft, easy, and safe to enjoy an extreme ride with the Beast 011X, like I unleashed the Beast 011X. After that, I'm going to change this color, these lowering arms and the front, the upper stem, rear swing arm as well. We're gonna change it to blue color. We apply the primer and then ready for the blue color. And here is the blue color we applied, kind of light blue. The blue paint for the lower stem is ready. Let's do it. And we are now waiting to completely dry, and we apply the clear coat, gloss coat. So now ready to spray the primer. Let's go. I have removed the motor hub, the tires, the caliper, and now it's ready to remove the both swing arm, just to remove, and this nut on both sides. Now I'm going to change this typical rotor for the 11X, Decas rotors, same 160 mm diameter and blue color. Pretty cool. Let's fix it. Yeah, this is how it looked like. Yeah, pretty cool rotors and the swing arms. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to hit the likes. Please subscribe. Thank you. Say hi. Bye bye. I'm going to try to make it loose to completely change the shock absorber. And now I'm going to have to remove these clips inside the arms, so it will be gonna free to move. Now how to remove this, the big nut from the arm support. Alright, here is the two springs coil absorber, and this is the stack, and this is what we have to going to replace. The coils in here are quite small than the normal one, and here there is a open and lock button. Switch in here. Now it's open and it's locked, so try to fix it. Yeah, here it is now. It looks good. I'm ready to fix the lower arm, the motor hub, and the tires. And now I have the 11X scooter with me, and I removed the front tires. Just want to do some effect on our boring side of our tires. Sanding all the side, so it will have the good grip for the glues and the materials. Alright, and finally, after sanding and fixing the ponds using the glue, here it is. Alright, please hit the likes, subscribe, and comment. You have any question? Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.